Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be able to share with you guys that La Cosedora is releasing a brand new HBox. It'll be available starting Wednesday, July 14th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This beautiful HBox is a collaboration with a Colombian artist by the name of GreenAmarilla. She designed each element of this HBox, and take a look at how beautiful everything is. As always, everything comes beautifully packaged. Each box comes with collector's gifts as well as free shipping to US and Canada. This box includes a mini stamping plate, a scraper card, a sticker sheet, and a really cute puzzle which you can have lots of fun coloring in. Now let's take a closer look at the stamping plate in this HBox. As always, it comes in a beautiful little sleeve. On the back it has instructions on how to take care of your stamping plate and how to clean it. It's important to mention that since these plates are acrylic, they recommend that you clean them with a non-acetone nail polish remover. And when you take it out of the sleeve, here we have the beautiful stamping plate. Look at all the beautiful designs on this plate. So many gorgeous designs to choose from. And when we turn it around, we have another beautiful work of art. Look at the beautiful colors and designs on this beautiful plate. I'm really excited to start using these plate and sharing lots of manicures on my Instagram at jennystone.21. You can follow me there to see more. Besides the stamping plate and the gifts, this box also has 5 brand new stamping polishes. Let's start with this one. It's called Naranja Vida and it's a beautiful orange. Next up we have Verde Soñar. This one is called Azul Renacer, Magenta Pasión, and the last one is called Violeta Fuerza. The La Cosedora stamping polishes are all very pigmented. They're also vegan, 14-free, and cruelty-free. Which of these colors was your favorite? Leave a comment and let me know. I want to remind you that as part of the Acha team, I also have an affiliate link and a discount code which I'll share with you guys. You can use it when you purchase anything on HLaCosedora.com. Congratulations once again to La Cosedora and the entire La Cosedora team. And of course to GreenAmarilla for this beautiful collaboration. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!